Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 4 and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. And the factory reset could be useful if you want to maybe sell your watch, give it away, give it to somebody. You could try also to fix your watch by factory resetting it, but it's like a last resort thing, because if you factory reset your watch, usually you lose your data and settings from your watch. So if you don't want to lose those, I wouldn't recommend to factory reset the watch to try to fix it. But if you don't care, you could try, and hopefully that will solve your problems. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. And to factory reset our watch, one thing to mention is that before you attempt the reset, check the battery life on your watch. Because if the battery life is below, let's say 20%, it might cause your watch to die during the resetting process. It might damage your watch that way. So I recommend to charge your battery if it's not charged, and then we can continue. We can press the crown button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon. And once you find the settings icon, you can tap on it to enter the settings. And in settings, find the option called the system. And once you find it, of course, tap on it. And here you will see the option called factory reset. Select it and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And the watch will start resetting, and after it's done, it will basically show you the list of languages. It takes, I would say, maybe 20-30 seconds for it to reset. So let's wait. And here we have it. This is the list of languages I mentioned before, and that means that the factory reset is complete. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.